Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog, and right now I am on my way to the premiere launch of the all-new MG5. Now I already did a first look video of it, which I'll link in the description down below. So for today we're going to do a Q&A, so you better stay tuned for that.
The moment has arrived. We have all been waiting for this. The time is now. It's my honor to present to all of you, Molly's Graduates, the latest compact sedan, the new MG5.
Being in comfort, price was starts at only 658,888. So come in, meet the new MG5.
Big in features, big in comfort. Here it is everyone, the all-new MG5 has been officially launched and there were 5 main takeaways during the event. There's a push start-stop button with smart keyless entry, a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, a 360-degree camera, an electric sunroof, and a spacious interior with 512 liters of trunk space. Now the variant shown here is the top-of-the-line Alpha, which is priced at 938,888 pesos. And I have to say that this spec in person looks absolutely gorgeous. The dark blue paintwork looks premium and the larger wheels truly elevate the sedan's appeal. There are interior appointments that sets it apart as well, like an electronic parking brake, the aforementioned 360-degree camera, powered seats, and a leather interior.
Okay, so I am now inside the all-new MG5, and with me are the comments from the previous video that I did with the MG5, the first look. So I'm going to answer some of the questions. Let's start with the first one. What variant is that? So the previous video that I did, the first look, the variant shown there was the MG5 style. So that one is priced at around 848,000 pesos. And that one has an automatic transmission. It also has push button start, keyless entry, a large infotainment touchscreen with Apple Auto and Android CarPlay. So for those asking as well, I also received a comment that asked na what is the cheapest price for the automatic variant. So to answer that question, it is the MG5 Core Automatic, which is priced at 718,888 pesos. Okay, next up from Jared Methusela. Nice presentation, very clean and straightforward. But are you sure the infotainment system on this car has an Android Auto since it's owned by Google, which has been banned by China? So yes, I can confirm that the car still has Android Auto integrated into the system. From Brandon Crisostomo, how does it perform? Iniisip ko talaga kumuha nito. So we are yet to find out how it performs and how it handles on the road. But for the meantime, you better stay tuned to my channel and wait for that review. From RD Passes, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is already a win-win for me. I don't know if the top-of-the-line Vios and Honda City have those features, but we're talking about an MG car and they offer those features on their MG mid-variants. So far, it is the most tech-laden vehicle, subcompact vehicle that I've ever seen with this price point. Yeah, the inclusion of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is a godsend to most drivers because it's really an easy-to-use system. From Joel Jr. saying, pakigawa naman ng test drive review. Yes, that one is coming as soon as I get a demo unit from MG Philippines. 708,000 yung display kanina na manual. Magkano kaya matic na pinakamura? So to correct that, the MG5, the manual, it starts at 658,000 pesos. The Core Auto that they have, it is the lowest automatic variant that you can get to the MG5. That one starts at 718,000 pesos. From Rex Kimmer Davide, RX-5 and ZS please. Yes, that is also coming soon to my channel, so please stay tuned for that. Been waiting for a review. Thanks. Planned to get the ZS but looks like I would get this instead. Kudos to you, sir, for considering the MG brand. A comment from Christian Estrada saying, nice video presentation, very engaging, and good visual. I highly appreciate those kind of comments. These are the comments that help me motivate and create more videos to my channel. So thank you for that, sir. From Dan Mallory HD, keep up the good work. You just got a new sub. Thank you, sir. I highly appreciate that. Okay guys, so that was a quick rundown of the questions that I received from the previous MG5 video. I hope I was able to answer all the queries. I tried my best. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also follow my socials, which I'll link in the description down below. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.